Okay, so I'm doing linguine alla vongole. It's in my book. What it goes there is garlic, pepperoncino, black pepper, clams, and then pasta. Okay, now we're gonna put the garlic, pepperoncino, black pepper, a little bit. Okay, and no salt because clams is salty. Okay, and then as soon as it opens, we're gonna cook the pasta. Very easy. Only extra virgin olive oil. You see how it opens? This is it. This is ready. Just like that. And a lot of parsley. Okay. I have a special dish for that. This is beautiful. I got it in Italy. Beautiful shell dish. Now it is 8 to 10 minutes. We're gonna toss it. That. Okay. It has garlic, black pepper, parsley, and usually you want white wine, you can put white wine, but this is so fresh and doesn't need anything. Doesn't need butter, doesn't need cheese. You don't put seafood. In seafood, you don't put cheese. Okay? This is linguine alla vongole. Buon appetito! Very easy.